Hazrat Sahel bin Saad Saidi told Hazrat Ibn Shihab that once Hazrat Uwaymar Ajlani visited Hazrat Asim bin Adi Ansari radiyallahu anhu and said, O Asim, if someone finishes a man watching him with his wife committing adultery, you kill him too. In retaliation, what should he then do? O Asim, tell me after inquiring about it. So Hazrat Asim radiyallahu anhu inquired of Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam about it, but Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam disliked asking such questions and considered it odious. Hazrat Asim felt sorry when he heard disliking from Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam. When Hazrat Asim reached his household, Hazrat Uwaymar also reached there and said, O Asim, what reply did Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam make to you? Hazrat Asim radiyallahu anhu said, I received nothing good from you. For Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam disliked what I asked him. Hazrat Uwaymar radiyallahu anhu said, By Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, I will not give in unless I find its precept from Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam. So Hazrat Uwaymar set out until he reached Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam and found him amidst the people, and then he submitted, O Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, will you kill a man in retaliation who, finding a man with his wife committing adultery, finishes him? Tell me what he should then do. Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam whereupon said, Allah Jalla Jalaluhu has issued a command regarding you and your wife, so fetch her here. Hazrat Sahel says, then they both invoked imprecation against each other, and I along with other people was in the company of Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam. When they both had hurled imprecation, Hazrat Uwaymar radiyallahu anhu said, O Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, if I keep her with me, I will be taken as a liar. So he gave her 3 divorces before Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam issued any order. Ibn Shihab says, it then became a precedent for those who wanted to invoke mutual imprecation. Sahih Bukhari Hadith number 5308.